My name is Hannah Yates from Glengracie Accounting Solutions Limited, a chartered accountancy practice based in Rochester, helping small to medium-sized businesses grow their numbers. Services we provide includes bookkeeping, which is keeping a record of all your income and expenses for your business. VAT and CIS returns to HMRC. Self-assessments, which is the annual filing of your personal income for the tax year. Statutory filings for incorporated businesses, including limited companies and partnerships. This includes your full accounts, corporation tax returns or partnership tax returns, and annual confirmation statements. Payroll function, which includes calculating your pay for your employees either on a weekly or monthly basis, and ensuring that all your PAYE and national insurance is calculated correctly. Business and personal estate planning, which ensures all your assets upon death go to who you want them to go to in the most tax efficient way. Part-time financial director services, which is financial and operational support for a business on a part-time basis. Management accounts, which is a set of summarised accounts for management, which is provided either monthly or quarterly. What we hear a lot from clients coming on board is that they never hear from their accountant throughout the year, it's only when their returns are due. So what sets us apart from other local firms is we like to keep continuous contact at regular points throughout the year to understand their business better so we can help advise them. If you have any questions or would like some advice on your accounts, please feel free to get in touch either using the Contact Us page on the website or give us a call.